Hey everyone, in this video, we'll show you how to turn your kitchen into a science lab using items you probably already have at home. Transforming the kitchen into a science lab offers a fun and educational way for kids to explore science through everyday activities. The kitchen is full of opportunities for hands-on experiments, learning, and discovery. Here are 10 easy ways kids can set up their own science lab in the kitchen. Please ensure that children conduct these experiments under the supervision of a parent, guardian, or another responsible adult. Let's explore them one by one. Number 1. Baking soda and vinegar volcano. What you'll need: baking soda, vinegar, food coloring, optional, a small container or tray. How to carry out this experiment: have kids create a mini volcano by placing baking soda in a container and pouring vinegar over it to cause an eruption. For extra fun, add food coloring to make it look like lava. The concept behind this experiment demonstrates a chemical reaction where an acid, vinegar, reacts with a base, baking soda, to produce carbon dioxide gas. Number 2. Make homemade slime. What you'll need: baking soda, contact lens solution, glue, food coloring. How to carry out this experiment: mix glue, baking soda, and contact lens solution to make stretchy slime. Kids can experiment with different amounts of each ingredient to change the texture and consistency. The concept behind this experiment: the slime forms because the borate ions in the contact solution react with the glue to create a polymer chain, making the substance thicker and more viscous. Number 3. Floating egg experiment. What you'll need: eggs, salt, water, 2 clear containers. How to carry out this experiment: fill both containers with water, one with plain water and the other with salt water. Gently place an egg in each and observe how it floats in the salt water but sinks in the fresh water. The concept behind this experiment demonstrates density and buoyancy. Salt water is denser than fresh water, allowing the egg to float more easily in the salt water. Number 4. Color changing milk. How to carry out this experiment: what you'll need: milk, food coloring, dish soap, shallow dish. How to carry out this experiment: pour milk into a shallow dish, add a few drops of different food coloring, then dip a cotton swab into dish soap and touch it to the milk's surface. Watch as the colors swirl and move. The concept behind this experiment: the soap breaks the surface tension of the milk and causes the fat molecules to move, creating a colorful effect. The interaction of soap with fat is a fun demonstration of molecular behavior. Number 5. Create a density tower. What you'll need: different liquids, e.g. honey, dish soap, water, vegetable oil, rubbing alcohol, food coloring, optional, a tall clear glass or jar. How to carry out this experiment: slowly pour the liquids into a glass in the order of their density, starting with the heaviest liquid. Watch the liquids form distinct layers. The concept behind this experiment: this activity demonstrates the concept of density. Liquids with different densities don't mix, and the denser liquids stay at the bottom. Number 6. Invisible ink with lemon juice. What you'll need: lemon juice, cotton swab, paper, heat source, like a lamp or hair dryer. How to carry out this experiment: dip a cotton swab in lemon juice and write on a piece of paper. Let it dry. To reveal the message, heat the paper gently with a hair dryer or by holding it near a lamp. The concept behind this experiment: the lemon juice oxidizes and turns brown when heated, revealing the invisible ink message. This demonstrates how heat can change the chemical properties of substances. Number 7. Make ice cream in a bag. What you'll need: milk, sugar, vanilla extract, ice, salt, Ziploc bags. How to carry out this experiment: in a small Ziploc bag, mix milk, sugar, and vanilla extract. Place this bag inside a larger Ziploc bag filled with ice and salt. Shake it for several minutes until the mixture turns into ice cream. The concept behind this experiment: the salt lowers the freezing point of water, causing the ice to absorb heat from the mixture, making it freeze and form ice cream. This demonstrates the concept of freezing point depression. Number 8. Dancing raisins experiment. What you'll need: a clear glass, soda, preferably carbonated like club soda or clear soda, raisins. How to carry out this experiment: drop raisins into a glass of soda and watch them dance. the raisins will rise and fall as bubbles of carbon dioxide attach to them and lift them to the surface, where they pop and sink again. The concept behind this experiment: this is an example of gas bubbles interacting with objects. The carbon dioxide in the soda forms bubbles on the surface of the raisins, causing them to move up and down. Number 9 is sugar crystals. Crystal garden. What you'll need: sugar, water, string, jar, food coloring, optional. How to carry out this experiment: boil water and mix in sugar until it no longer dissolves, creating a supersaturated solution. Hang a string in the jar and leave it in a cool place for a few days to let crystals form on the string. The concept behind this experiment demonstrates how crystals form when a supersaturated solution cools and the sugar precipitates out, creating visible sugar crystals. Number 10. Make a lemon battery. What you'll need: lemons, copper wire, galvanized nails, zinc, small light bulb or LED. How to carry out this experiment: insert a galvanized nail and a copper wire into each lemon, then connect the lemons in a chain. Attach the wires to a small light bulb or LED. The lemons act as a battery, generating enough electricity to light the bulb. The concept behind this experiment demonstrates the concept of a simple electrochemical reaction, where the acid in the lemon reacts with the metals to create an electrical current. Well, we have explored some seriously cool science today, and the best part: you can try all these experiments with stuff you already have at home. Remember, science is everywhere, and all it takes is a little curiosity and some imagination to turn your kitchen into the ultimate science lab. So, grab your goggles, get messy, and start experimenting, because the best scientists are the ones who never stop asking, what happens if? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your kitchen experiments with other kids. Thanks for watching.